Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up in DoTeam. Let's begin. First, on your web browser, go to getdoteam.in. Click on Get Started. On the sign up page, type in your name and email address. After that, hit Get Started. You will receive a verification email. On the email, click on the link to verify your account and select a password. You will be able to create a new company or accept invites to an existing DoTeam user once you sign up. Here, you will see the verification email is sent. Click on the Verify Email ID button. You will then be redirected to this page to create your new password. After creating your password, click Submit. There you have it. Your password was changed successfully. You may now log into your DoTeam account using the new password you had just set up. Click on Go to Login. You may now sign into your account using your email ID and password. After typing these, click on Login. You will now see your DoTeam dashboard. And that's it on how to sign up in DoTeam. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.